Hey folks! Welcome to Channel 73. Ready to see what happens when math and comics collide? Let's go! As you can see, this is the call sign of Nolan's Dark Knight. Batman's enemies see fear in this symbol, but I see mathematics. Now, this may not initially seem like much, but when you break it down, that is when things get a little bit exciting. So, we break this Dark Knight symbol into multiple parts and plot that as a piecewise curve. Now, let us see the component equations that make up our favorite Dark Knight symbol. Granted, it's a bit complicated, but I enjoyed every bit of working it out. The red part is a horizontal line. The green part is a logarithmic curve. The blue part is a quadrant of an ellipse. The cyan part is a parabolic curve. The gray part is a horizontal line. The orange part is a vertical line and the purple part is an inclined line. The cyan, red, blue, and green parts make up the wings and the tail of the bat, and the other three make up the head. Now, we have the equations. How do we plot them? This is where Python, NumPy, and Matplotlib come in. Here is the code to plot the equations on a graph. NumPy creates the plot points, and Matplotlib plots them. All we need to do is write the Python code for the equations, and we'll get this beauty. Since this is a curve that is symmetric, with respect to y-axis, we can save some computational time by mirroring the right half. Feel free to play around with the colors. Now, for the question of the hour. Does this come in black? Yes, it does. To be honest, the black version looks so much better in comparison. That is all for now, folks. Until I meet you again, keep experimenting. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that bell icon for more.